This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by LeFante. Timeless charm and refined elegance define this 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home at Riversedge. A sunlit open floor plan features vaulted ceilings and transom windows. The first-floor owner's suite offers a modern bath and custom walk-in closet. Enjoy a private deck, saltwater pool, fire pit, and hot tub oasis. Recent upgrades include dual HVACs, full sand filtration for saltwater pool, new pool pump, fresh paint, garage shelving, roof, and gutters. Enjoy the community amenities, boat launch, exercise and jogging path, pickleball and tennis courts, and more. November 6, 2025. For more information, review the details below or contact LeFante at 757-286-9104.